At its recent IoT product launch event, Xiaomi unveiled two new TV lineups that are set to redefine value. In the smart TV space, the Xiaomi TV A Pro Series 2026 and Xiaomi TV A Series 2026, offering sleek designs, premium viewing technologies, and smart features at wallet-friendly prices. These models demonstrate that you no longer have to break the bank to enjoy a top-tier home entertainment experience. The first thing you'll notice when unboxing the Xiaomi TV A Pro and A Series is their sleek, minimalist design. The TVs feature ultra-thin bezels on three sides, creating a near-borderless look that allows content to take center stage. The lower chin remains slightly thicker to house the Xiaomi logo, but it blends in well with the overall design. Compared to previous generations, the frames have been slimmed down from 81.7mm to just 76mm, enhancing the modern aesthetic while making them easier to fit into compact spaces. The TV stand has also been redesigned, now wider and taller, giving the units greater stability and reducing the risk of tipping over. Users can also mount the TVs using standard VISA brackets, offering flexibility for wall installations that save space and enhance the viewing angle. The remote control bundled with the A Pro and A Series 2026 models is compact, minimalistic, and thoughtfully designed. Equipped with a dedicated Google Assistant button, it allows users to control the TV via voice commands, whether to search for content, adjust volume, or manage smart home devices. In addition to voice control, the remote includes shortcut keys for Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, enabling users to launch their favorite platforms instantly. One of the most impressive features of this year's Xiaomi TV refresh is the availability of both LED and QLED panels at 4K resolution 3840 by 2160 pixels across a wide range of screen sizes, from 32 to 75 inches. Particularly exciting is the Xiaomi A Pro series, which brings QLED technology and a 120 Hz refresh rate to a price point previously dominated by basic LED sets. When Game Boost mode is activated, especially via HDMI input, these TVs transform into responsive gaming displays, offering high frame rates and smooth motion ideal for console gaming. Xiaomi has also included MEMC motion estimation, motion compensation technology, in both lineups. MEMC inserts additional frames in fast-paced scenes to reduce blur and judder, making these TVs a solid choice for watching sports, action, movies, or playing high-speed games. Xiaomi continues to emphasize display quality, with support for HDR10 and an impressive 1.07 billion color reproduction. Both the A Pro and A Series cover 94% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring vivid, accurate colors that pop on screen. Whether it's the bright highlights in a sunset or the subtle details in a dimly lit scene, the TVs deliver excellent contrast and realism, thanks to advanced HDR support. Combined with their high refresh rate and MEMC processing, these models promise to elevate your everyday viewing experience. For cinephiles, Filmmaker Mode is a welcome addition. This professional-grade setting disables unnecessary post-processing effects, preserves the original aspect ratio, and maintains the color profile and frame rate intended by the filmmakers. Activating Filmmaker Mode offers a more authentic and immersive cinematic experience, allowing you to watch movies exactly as directors envisioned them. A rare feature in this price range, the Google Assistant integration is seamless on both TV lines. With a simple, "Hey Google," users can search for content, control volume, check the weather, or manage smart home devices, all hands-free. Another major win is Apple AirPlay support, which allows iPhone, iPad, and Mac users to effortlessly cast content to their Xiaomi TVs. Whether it's streaming a movie from Apple TV or mirroring a presentation, the cross-platform compatibility is a standout feature, expanding functionality beyond the Android ecosystem. Despite their price-conscious nature, Xiaomi hasn't held back on performance. Thanks to optimized internal hardware, users can stream 4K content, launch apps quickly, and navigate menus fluidly without the lag often associated with budget TVs. Whether you're watching blockbuster films, streaming your favorite shows, or gaming with friends, both the Xiaomi A Pro Series and A Series 2026 offer smooth, engaging, and high-quality experiences that surpass expectations for their price points. The Xiaomi TV A Pro Series 2026 and Xiaomi TV A Series 2026 prove once again that the brand knows how to combine style, performance, and affordability in one sleek package. With support for 4K resolution, up to 120Hz refresh rates, QLED displays, MEMC, HDR10, and Filmmaker mode, these TVs offer features typically reserved for premium models. Now available at prices that truly break the market. Add in smart voice control, cross-platform compatibility, and a range of screen sizes, and you have two TV lineups ready to dominate living rooms in 2026. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or a smart home enthusiast, Xiaomi's latest TVs provide excellent value and deliver an immersive viewing experience that's hard to beat.